Answer the following questions. In any AC circuit is applied, instantaneous voltage is equal to the algebraic sum of the instantaneous voltages across the series element of the circuit. Is the same true for RMS voltage? So here answer is no, it is not same true for RMS, because RMS is the whole root mean square and instantaneous voltage is very instant, right? Second question, that a capacitor is used in primary circuit of an induction coil. So because whenever if any circuit broken off, capacitor will provide that external source. The next, an applied voltage signal consists of a superposition of DC voltage and an AC voltage of high frequency. The circuit consists of an inductor and capacitor in series, so that the DC signal will appear across C and AC signal across L. So DC signal, why? Because we know that capacitor store the energy. So storage energy will give DC signal, and L is working on in the effect of current because of half Li square. So that will give us AC signal. Then next, a chalk coil in series with lamp is connected to a DC line. The lamp is seen to shine brightly. Insertion of an iron core in the chalk cause no change in lamp's brightness. Predict the corresponding observation if connection is to an AC line. So see here, DC line, right? Earlier we used. So when we use AC line, so there will be give very dimly light, right? Then next, why is chalk coil is needed to use of fluorescent tube with AC mains? Why can we not use an ordinary resistor instead of chalk coil? Chalk coil can decrease that current very gradually, and resistance, if we use resistance, whenever current is passes through resistance, it will be converting it heat energy. But whenever we use chalk coil, it will gradually decrease the current. So when we switch off, current light will very dimly getting switch off. But if we use resistance, then current, because of current flowing through resistors, heat will be produced, and that is our loss, that is power loss. But chalk coil isn't wasting so much power in comparison with the resistor, because resistor is changing that power to the heat energy, and that formula is I square R.